All right, here we go.
Just get inside. It's time to take your ass on another kind of trip. Cause you can't have to hop if you don't have to hip. Grab your gat with the extra clip and close your eyes and hit the switch. We're going to a place where everybody kick it, kick it, kick it. Yeah, that's the ticket. Ain't no bloodin', ain't no gripping, ain't no punk ass nigga set trippin'. Everybody got a stack and it ain't no crack. And it really don't matter if you're white or black. I wanna take you there like a staple singers. Put something in the tank and I know that I can bring it. If you can't take the heat, get your ass out the kitchen. We on a mission. So I can live my life and maybe eat some steak with my beans and rice. A place where my kids can play outside without living in fear of a drive-by. And even if I get away from them drive-by killers, I still got to worry about those snitch-ass niggas. I keep on searching and I keep on looking, but niggas are the same from Watts to Brooklyn. I try to keep my faith in my people, but sometimes my people be acting like they evil. You don't understand about running with a gang, cause you don't gangbang. And you don't have to stand on the corner and slang, cause you got your own thing. You can't help me if you can't help yourself. You better make a laugh. Slide, slide, slippity slide. I do what I do just to survive. Slide, slide, move right. That's why I pack my 45. Life is a bitch and then you die. Still trying to get a piece of that apple pie. Every game ain't the same cause the game still remains. Don't it seem kinda strange? Ain't a damn thing changed. If you don't work then you don't eat. And only down ass niggas can ride with me. Hop, 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 the five quickly down the block. Stay sucker free and keep the busters off your jock. You gotta have heart, son, if you wanna go. Watch this sweet chariot swing low. Ain't nobody crying,